Do you want to know how you can log into your United Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your United Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and search for United Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal. You can see that the payroll account logins over here. So you can go ahead and click on this directly, and if you hover around here, you can see that there are different types of login portals as well, but you need to click on the first one, which is the employee web clock punch-in/punch out. If you click on it, you can see that this is the official login portal of United Payroll employees for your employee login. Write down your username on the first box and your password in the second one. After you've written your password, make sure to check it and go ahead and click on the weblog or your employee portal over here. So you can see that this weblog is for the punch in punch out and this is for the employee portal. So you can go ahead and click on these individually, and you can even write the site ID, but this is optional. So guys, this is how you log into your United Payroll services or your United Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.